I get down road of a blast with the people, them will work so hard, them work so hard. Standing ovation for mama, cause mama always works so hard. I get down road of a blast with the people, them will work so hard, them work so hard. Standing ovation for papa, cause he always works so hard. I get down road of a blast with the people that will work so hard, they work so hard. It's standing ovation for Queen.
Well, we do this for the cause, we got the right and the reason. We never said that we should put up with the bumpers, no remorse when the thoughts and bars. We say we do this for the cause, we got the right and the reason. I never said that we should put up with the bumpers, no remorse when the thoughts and bars.
Yeah, focus, conscious. Don't go sell your soul. You have to focus, you have to stay conscious. Before you go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Aye, Selassie.
Centralizing this time, centralizing this time. Loving you will live, deal with war and you will die. The Father's watching from up in the sky. Now full of hate and we don't know why. The people are suffering, the people are crying. Some of them don't care while some of them are trying. They come with news and bad news and crime. Organize and centralize in this time.
And if we go some run down belly, we not gonna run down belly. Run down belly, we not gonna run it down. Run down belly, you know we run down belly. Run down belly, we not gonna run it down. Run down belly, we not gonna run down belly. Run down belly, we not gonna run it down. Run down belly, you know we run down belly. Run down belly, we not gonna run it down.
Yeah, yeah, niceness. What a beautiful gathering. Ooh, yeah. I love my country, but I don't love the system. Stuck against the people in this place for believing. I love my country, but I don't love the system. It's stuck against the people in this place for believing. I just the ordinary people make the things still like one road, yeah. And the resilience of the people make the things still like a road, yeah. The Henry Markers and all them policies, I jack we in a cage cause democracy. And politicians them not got no integrity. Sell out we birthright and God we in a refugee. Oh, I love my country but I don't love the system. It's stuck against the people, coming baby.
Alright, say I've been driving on this road, say the rocky full of stone. If you don't learn then you will know, no, yeah. Good times, yes it comes and goes. Happiness mixed with sorrows, but just end up carry load now. Spiritually full of force, but your angels always close. So demons have to go move like the holy city of Jerusalem. Jaja kingdom cannot be so loose to them, yeah. Stand so firm and hold my ground. I pray my feet don't fail me now. But through the test of times and the trials, oh, I never failed me yet. Never failed me yet. No, so stand so firm and hold my ground. Yeah, I pray my feet don't fail me now. But through the test of times and the trials, oh, I never failed me yet.
All we need is love. Take the anger right from our mind.
eyes I pray. Jaja, please guide me day by day.
Peace out. Wait. It's just my brain and put her in a reggae mood. Lord. The nigga tap with the radio jumping, I'm feeling so good. It's just my brain and put her in a reggae mood. Lord. A digga tap with the radio jumping, I'm feeling so good. I'm loving my life. I'm loving my life. Very nice.
Go for the self, you know. Culture words. I say, as I rise, I give praise, oh Jah, of all the blessings where you bring now. You are worthy of all praise, oh Jah. So this your song, I sing now. As I rise, I give praise, oh Jah, for all the blessings where you bring. You are worthy of all praise, oh Jah. We say now for me, you are great, oh Jah. Just bright light shining in the eyes. You are great, you are the Raja.
And then love how the ghetto youth a grow. Righteousness just a flow. Then you say me know ya. Zion I got to go. With the me, with the flow. And then love how the ghetto youth a grow. Righteousness just a flow. Then you say me know ya. Zion I got to go. And my mouth as long as so. And you when me have the physical. I am me a speak when me say it natural. Rastaman so slick and moving very statical. We don't have to go to the hospital and we wanna fly. Celestial to the medical. Happy of the pain. His plan was spiritual. Now for them are words. All of me bury and them have too much meat. I tell them no meat. Oh, love how the ghetto youths are grow. Righteousness does a flow. Then we say we know ya. We got to go, Premier King, we got to yourself. Well then love how the ghetto youths are born. Righteousness just a flow. I say yo.
Oh, warrior, never lose faith. And warrior, sometimes shed a little tear, but the pain inside is too much to bear. Oh, Rasta warrior, I and I carry out your word, doing right the warrior, we never lose our faith. And warrior, we try in this journey. I said warrior, oh warrior, never lose faith. And warrior, sometimes shed a little tear, so Rastafari, oh
For the Almighty, hey. For the Almighty, I put all my trust. For the Almighty, I put all my faith. For the Almighty will take care of the human race. Cause holy things are one in the world. Holy things are weird beyond earth. Holy things are mash up the earth. Boy, hear me now. Me say the pressure up like sharp so if you hear some hollows, you say try to move up on your knees and feet run out. Babylon and storm out. It's a good thing about. Who not have to get the place.
I get a round of applause because the Empress of people so hard. She works so hard. Standing ovation for Mama, cause Mama always works so hard. I get a round of applause. Shanti still works so hard. She works so hard. Standing up. Do it, John.
Life is what you make it out to be, and destiny is calling out to me. Yeah, well, we are gonna make mistakes, but don't you? Cause life is what you make it out to be. One more time. Life is what you make it out to be. Honey, and destiny is calling out to me. Yeah, well, we are gonna make mistakes, but don't you stay in that place. Cause life is what you make it out to be.
One drop, Babylon you will be going down quick. Africa will no last round this. I am not the man for your pound to pound with. Your system corrupt all the burning down in the bubble and the hilltop. So the jump is the last and surely cross the justice. I am sharp, open up and hold the public. Then the hand will rise with those with the keep pressing on and on, on and on and on. Road back up and war upon, shop lock up and water gun. All of this a take place before my father born, and it happened one day since my daughter born. It's going on too long. Watch me again with get the case. Give me the pillow. If you're busy, give me the case and let me deal with it for you because the man rape and not kill people. We have to put an end to perpetual evil because me a burn out poverty from me yard. Mommy gone, daddy have it all, no one to give an hand. Everybody have it all. British never saved none of it from Spaniard. It's still a go on and on and on and on. Road lock up and war go on and shop lock up and water gun. All of this a take place before my father born. And one day since my daughter born, oh Lord, it's going on too long.
Seven blessings just a double up, a double up. Mama jealous and come up. I cut it up, as I double up, a double up. Now it was just a beautiful day. So that's right.
This is Rashad Marshall, and I'm an action life, living an action life. Alright? Yeah. All across the world, I see people are suffering, homeless with lost souls, and have no place to be. No leaders of this world are still working to dislocate. Speak up now or seal your fate if you can relate. Skyline, I'm gonna feel it. I have a special announcement. Right now, at this present moment, it's my daughter Senora's birthday. When I say Zenora, can you say happy birthday for me, please? Zenora! Are you when we do this? Why, yes! First thing, I think Selassie every pray straight forward from the turning, no turn off, nor yes now. And this is not no skylark thing. We can't take we money go to pay my early. Next thing man now a warrior from my blood. And if them get my rot, it's just a good a send a flood. Don't trick the people when they make them move backward. But Jackie within and this how we move forward. They never know, they never know. Never know who they got more. See me but they never know. And you may never know that that's chosen. But they never know. Never know who they got more. See me but they never know.